In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an autoresponder in Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account. On the left-hand side menu, click on Automation. From the options that appear, select Workflows. To create an autoresponder, you need to set up a workflow. Autoresponders are not separate features in Aweber. Instead, they function through workflows or campaigns. Click on Create Workflow at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Although you can start from scratch, the faster option is to use a template. For sending autoresponder emails to new subscribers, the Welcome Subscribers template is the best choice. Select it, and you'll notice that the starter is automatically set to Subscribers Join the List. Keep this default setting. You will now see the first email that is automatically sent when someone subscribes. If you want to customize the email, click on the pencil icon. This will open the editing page where you can modify the text, add images, insert buttons, or include other design elements. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click Save and Exit at the bottom right-hand corner. You can also insert delays between when a subscriber joins and when the email is sent. To do this, click on the plus icon between the steps, select Wait, and choose your desired delay. For example, you may set it to 5 minutes, so new subscribers will receive the welcome email shortly after joining. After making all necessary adjustments, click Publish at the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then confirm by selecting Publish and Turn On. Your workflow will now be active, and autoresponder emails will be sent automatically to new subscribers as they join your list. And this is how you can set up an autoresponder in Aweber.